Good morning, guys, and God bless you. Happy Tuesday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. We are finally mobile. I am on the road again, super excited, and I just couldn't be any more excited to have my first interior detail that I haven't done in a month. As y'all know, I love interiors. There's just something with them that, I don't know, it just makes me feel good. As you guys saw the intro of this video, this van needs some love. Before I start this video, huge shout out to Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. He referred this customer to me. He knows my passion towards interiors, and he couldn't have chosen a better person to do it. These customers just moved in from Virginia, and they were looking for a detailer, and they reached out to Landon, and you know, Landon, I'm literally 15 minutes from my house, so Landon knew I was the closest one, and he was like, hey, you know what, I have somebody that I highly recommend. So brother, thank you for the referral, and we're gonna be doing a full interior detail on this Toyota Sienna. Really nice car, paint job is nice. As you guys, they traveled on this van all the way over here, so it's gonna have a little bit of everything: crumbs, candy, dirt, which is fine. That is why we are here for. But first off, I'm gonna end up removing all this trash, removing the trash, getting my stuff ready, and then we're gonna get started. And hopefully today's video kind of helps you out if you ever work with minivans, maybe something with speeding your process up, maybe something you didn't know about vans. Hopefully this video helps you, so stay tuned and we'll be back. Ahead and vacuumed all the interior, and literally the interior is really in good shape. What makes minivans, what many people sometimes dislike about them, is just they're big, you know, at times, you know, they're dirty, which is bound to happen with the minivan. But after I vacuumed it all, you know, there's just a couple areas, I think, where the kids spilled milk and stuff, so it's not really in bad shape. The seats are really good, just the front ones, a little bit of need maintenance, and where the kids sit, you know, but other than that, it's really nice, it's really good. But usually I don't remove seats just because I'm able to really get around every area without having to remove the seats. But if you're working on a 2019 and up, or maybe the older models, I don't know, you're able to remove the seats. If you want to work a little bit better, you're able to remove the seats. And how do you do that? So at the bottom of these newer minivans, there's a latch, and all you do is you push that latch and it'll release it from the rails, just like that, and boom, I think these have little wheels, I could be wrong, and then you just pull it out and you're set. Put them to the side, and that just gives you a little bit of more room to just work freely, and get it done nicely. So we're about to start cleaning all the interior. When you do minivans, you always really want to start on the door panels, cleaning the leathers, get the seats in the back pulled up, clean that, the plastics. The carpet is going to be the last thing you really want to do. And for the carpet, I usually start from the back, and then I'll just work my way this way, or you can start from, you'll get inside through the van and just work your way that way. It's really up to you. Carpet will always be last for me, but it should be a really straightforward project. So we'll be back hopefully with a different tip or the final product, we'll see. But stay tuned for the final results. guys, we are finally done. We started at about, I think it was 9:30. It's 1 o'clock now, so about 3 hours, I think. About 4 hours. 4 hours in total. Maybe 3 hours and a half, but about 3 hours and a half on this minivan. It turned out amazing, guys. I'm gonna flip this camera around and kind of give you guys the final look on it. I'm very happy with the way it came out. So check it out. Alrighty, the outside needed just a nice bath. We cleaned all the wheels really nicely. Drive auto appearance tire dressing gel on the tires. The interior came out immaculate. We used the drive auto appearance conditioner, interior conditioner, and left in my little signature there so they could remember me. And let's look at the back now, guys. That back looks amazing. On the leather, we use the famous serrano sauce, 10-to-1, 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. But it looks amazing. So overall, this vehicle came out really, really nice. I am very satisfied with the way it looks. So it's now time to give it to the customer and time to head home. So you guys have a blessed day. God bless y'all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hopefully we get some more videos rolling now that I am mobile again. So super excited. Have a happy Tuesday. It's so shiny. Come check it out. Alright. This is the moment of truth, right? Oh, crap. Yes. Look around. All the maps are nice and shiny. Oh, and you got the thing off. Thank you. I was gonna wonder if that was gonna come off. Yeah, it was like a rough mark. Oh, so